This is the Bosch Professional GWS 750 angle grinder. It's a 750 watt, 115mm diameter disc angle grinder with a rotational speed of 11,000 RPM. It's powerful but lightweight, weighing in at only 1.8 kilos for optimum handling and low user fatigue. As you turn it on, you'll see that straight away how smooth and comfortable it is to hold, even in one hand. This tool is from the Bosch Professional range, meaning it's suitable for use out in the field by a contractor and is generally used on smaller cutting jobs. It has a great safety feature called Restart Protection, which prevents the tool from automatically restarting after a power cut or accidental plug removal. It has a solid spindle locking button for changing discs without slipping and a cord length of 2.5 meters, thus you don't need to use an extension lead every time you use it. The grinder has a slight forward angle on the side handles for better grip and comfort in its intended function as a grinder, sander, wire brush or cut-off tool. Always ensure you use the appropriate safety equipment when using the angle grinder, like safety glasses and welding gloves, while still ensuring you have a good feel and control of the grinder. If you found this clip useful, like it, share it. We'd love to get your feedback. You can also subscribe to the Builders Fan YouTube channel where there are numerous product reviews just like this, as well as DIYs for you to replicate or be inspired.